Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, kami dari kelompok 1 yang beranggotakan Kevin Arya Damayanti dan saya sendiri, Fathia Rafifah Yumnah Amalia, akan mempresentasikan tentang introduction. Ada 4 poin penting dalam introduction, yaitu how the course is organized, the English Phonetic and Phonology website, phonemes and other aspects of pronunciation, accents and dialects. Let's go to the material. The first, how the course is organized. You have to remember, this book is designed to be studied from start to finish, with relevant exercises for each chapter, which is why this book is very different from other reference book. It is certain that most readers of this book are expected to study English at university or become practical English teacher. Each chapter in this book has additional sections, such as the following: A. Notes on the subject and further reading. B. Notes to teacher. C. Written exercises. D. Audio exercises. E. Additional exercises. Next will be continued by Kevin.
1.2 English Phonetics and Phonology website. If you have access to the internet, you can find more information on the website www.cambridge.org/Peterots. Everything on the website is supplementary material. The website contains the following: 1. Additional exercise material. 2. Links to useful website. 3. A discussion site for exchanging opinion and question about English phonetics and phonology in the context of the study of the book. 4. Recording of talk given by Peterots. 5. Other material associated with the book. 6. A glossary giving brief explanation of the terms and concepts found in phonetics and phonology.
1.3 Phonemes and other aspects of pronunciation. The nature of phonetic and phonology will be explained as the course progresses, but 1 or 2 basic ideas need to be introduced at this stage. In any language, we can identify a small number of regularly used sounds, vowels, and consonants that we call phonemes. For example, the vowels in the word pin and pen are different phonemes, and so are the consonants at the beginning of the word pet and pet. A list of the symbols is given on PL, X, XI, and the chart of the International Phonetic Association IPA, on which the symbols are based. Pada yang pertama, penekanannya pada suku kata pertama, sedangkan pada suku kata kedua, penekanannya suku kata kedua. Contoh, intonasi yang mungkin adalah perbedaan gerakan nada pada kata well yang diucapkan sebagai seruan dan sebagai pertanyaan. Biasanya terdapat 2 kasus, yaitu dari nada rendah ke tinggi maupun dari nada tinggi ke rendah. Hal ini telah dilakukan dalam pendahuluan dalam hal misalnya fonem, fonetik, dan fonologi. Konvensi lain yang perlu diingat adalah bahwa ketika kata-kata yang digunakan sebagai contoh diberikan dalam bentuk ejaan, mereka diapit oleh tanda kutip. Tunggal misalnya, pin dan pen atau lain-lain. Tanda kutip ganda biasanya digunakan untuk mengutip sesuatu yang dikatakan atau mungkin yang dikatakan oleh seseorang. Kata-kata terkadang dicetak miring untuk menandainya sebagai kata yang sangat penting dalam konteks tertentu.
1.4 Accent and dialects. Use the words dialect to refer to a variety of languages that differ from other not only in pronunciation, but also in things like vocabulary, grammar, and word order. The focus accent is the one most often recommended for foreign students learning British English. However, the accent described here is typical for broadcaster with a British accent, and there is a useful level of consistency in broadcast speech from the speaker. But the pronunciation of most American does sound very different from the pronunciation of the BBC. Pronunciation practice can be difficult, but if we remove everything that is difficult from language teaching and learning, we may end up having students play a simple communication game. A person may speak in a very different voice than all of them can understand. As for example, when an American speaks to a British audience with clear articulation. There are many different and well-tried methods of teaching and testing pronunciation, some of which are used in the book. Thanks for watching. Sekian presentasi dari kelompok 1. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.